guys, and welcome back to my channel. It is currently about 7 o'clock p.m. so I figured why not take my makeup off, wind down a little bit. And I also wanted to talk about a product that honestly I feel like might be better than the Clinique I think it's called Take the Day Off. It's like that makeup melt that you kind of just like push into your face and then you just kind of like wipe it off and like all your makeup is gone. So the product I'm talking about is the Pond's Cold Cream Makeup Remover. I received this in my Target beauty box for this month, and y'all, this was probably the product I was most excited about for this month's box, just because I feel like I go through a lot of makeup wipes and I kind of wanted something that was just like easier to do and I didn't have to like, I don't want to say be wasteful, but I kind of wanted something that was a little bit easier than just say a makeup wipe. I'm actually gonna demo this out on camera right now. So if you want to see my review on the Pond's Makeup Remover, then just keep on watching. So it's just a Pond's Cold Cream Makeup Remover. It's a deep cleanser. So basically this is gonna melt away your summer makeup from like waterproof makeup, pretty much just like anything that's on your face, it's gonna take it off. Anyways, I'll stop with my rambling and so we can get to removing my makeup. This is what the product looks like inside. I don't take a lot out at a time, and literally I just go like this, and then you just literally just start rubbing away, and you can kind of see like the makeup is already melting. And then you're supposed to remove off with a warm wet towel, which I'm actually going to go get and wet. I would really recommend, if you're gonna want to use a product like this, to recommend a towel for this, because their towel is probably gonna get dirty and all of that. I'm gonna go ahead and start rubbing on my eye. And this doesn't sting or anything, but I'm just like literally just rubbing away and just, but pretty much this is what it looks like right now. Like I said, I'm just not burning or anything, but this stuff is so amazing and it leaves your skin so freaking smooth. I'll be right back, and I'm gonna go ahead and wet my towel and then kind of like do this, kind of like do like, you'll kind of see like makeup on this side and no makeup on this side, and you'll kind of see what it looks like once you remove everything off. So I'll be right back. So I am back. So this is the side that I kind of, like I said, I actually have a towel with me, but like I said, you just use a warm cloth and you just kind of like wipe away, and like I said, my face feels so soft afterwards. It does say that you don't have to like cleanse per se afterwards, because it kind of cleanses your skin already, but I do it anyways. I actually been really enjoying the Olay cleanser, but if you guys can see, like, I mean, it did a pretty good freaking job, so I'm really excited about this. Like I said, it's so affordable, like it's so affordable. But yeah, this is pretty much my like how I've been removing my makeup, and this is like no way sponsored by Pond's or anything like that, so this is just like me showing you guys what the product does and like how I've been enjoying it, and it really doesn't burn my eyes at all either. I'm actually really surprised. So now our next step is we're going to remove off. I kind of already wet the towel already. Y'all can see like the magic what it does. My skin feels so soft. It has like a radiance with it. Like I said, I do still clean my face afterwards. All right guys, so I'm just gonna kind of give you guys a rundown of the products that I use kind of like on a day-to-day basis. So I've been using the Olay Cleaning Infusion. I actually got this in pretty sure it was in a Target beauty box, and I freaking loved it. Like literally this is like $6, and if you guys can see on the side, like I use it every day, guys, and I've barely made a dent into it. So this is our exclusive formula, infuses non-stripping cleansers for our best bio-renewing hydrators to actually improve your skin condition as you wash, like give you a glow. And I know people will say like, Christy, like your skin looks different. Y'all, I'm telling you, it is this. The other cleanser that I've been trying out is the Sunday Rally Ceramic Slip Cleanser, and this is great for all skin types. If you can kind of see, like I'm like literally towards the end. I'm actually going to probably pick this up and get into the bigger size because I really enjoy this. I'll do cleanser and then I'll do toner. I like the, I forgot to grab it, but I'll insert a picture here. My friend Jalissa, she's here on YouTube, she mentioned about it, and I was like, oh my god, like Tim has this, and he like stopped using it, so I've been using it. So I use that as a toner, and it's really great, and it's really good for your skin, and it's all for all skin type. And then next I'll go in with the Josie Marin Nirvana Hydrating Treating Mist. So this will go on before you do any type of moisturizing, toner, anything. It just really helps set everything in and like penetrates your skin. It's so luxurious in your skin. You'll feel like spray onto your face and just feel so soft. Like it's a really a relaxing feeling. A couple moisturizers that I've been really enjoying is the Boscia Cactus Water Hydrating Cream. Probably not use this right now, especially for me. I do have like, I feel like I'm a combination, but right now I've been having dry skin, which is really weird. But I would definitely use this in the more summer months. It's more of that like jelly consistency, but I still use it and I've been using the rest of it. But like I said, this is really good for oily skin people, especially during the summertime. So next I have up is the Olay Total Effects Whip. I've been really enjoying this, guys. Like it's just my skin, I feel like this is what I really need. I need a lot of moisture right now, so it's not too thick to where it's just like I feel like just like a slick off moisturizer. It really penetrates the skin and really makes it moisturized. So if I'm really wanting to be really like moisturized, I will use the FARMACY Firming Balm. It's a like kind of has the same consistency as the Pond's. It's almost like a melting weight, and you put on your skin, it just kind of slicks on, and it really keeps your skin plumped and moisturized and kind of helps even out your skin tone. It says tightening. I haven't really felt any tightening into my actual skin, but I definitely, when I wake up, I feel more like even. I feel like my skin is glowing and all of that, right? But it's the LANEIGE Lip Sleeping Mask, and this is for all skin. This makes your lips so freaking smooth, like a baby's butt. So next I have up is the Drunk Elephant TLC Sakari Baby Facial. So this is almost like to a chemical peel. Like it's 25% AHA and 2% BHA. So you're not gonna see like your skin peel up, but when you first put it on, your skin tingles, like it stings. Like I was like, okay, like should I take it off? Like is it too much? Like it was stinging. I'm like, okay, like it was it's a little bit uncomfortable. If you've never had any type of tingling sensation on your face like that, literally like the next couple of days after that, like I could see my skin was changing and it was literally insane. Great way of just kind of pampering your skin a little bit more and getting more deeper into your skin. And then you always want to go in with a top of oil afterwards. Like I said, the Firming Balm by FARMACY would be great to really slick the skin, so that because you want to keep the skin nice and hydrated since you are drying it out basically, and you want your skin to be nice and moisturized so your skin isn't red and all of that. So that's pretty much it for my skin routine and how I kind of take my makeup off and like kind of like, you know, ease into the night. And everything I mentioned today, I'll have it listed on in the description box, so if anyone's interested, you guys can check that out. That is gonna be it for this one, guys. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Give this video a big thumbs up, and I hope everyone has a great day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.